and I am your new chemistry teacher for today. Today we'll be talking about ammonia. Now, ammonia. We'll be talking about ammonia. We're talking about what?
Ammonia.
Ammonia is a compound of nitrogen. Ammonia is what? A compound of nitrogen. Now, ammonia has a structure of. Now look, just look at the board. This is the structure of ammonia. So whenever you see this, you know we are talking about ammonia, and it has an IUPAC ID of azane. The IUPAC ID. IUPAC ID of azane. Ammonia has the IUPAC ID of azane. Now, it is the simplest nitrogen hydride, and ammonia is a colorless gas with a characteristic pungent smell. Now, what I mean by pungent smell is that ammonia smells like shit. Ammonia smells like sweat. Ammonia smells like sewage products. Ammonia also smells like human excrete, like sweat. Now, ammonia has the IUPAC ID of azane. Now, class, let's talk about places where we can find ammonia. Places where ammonia can be found. Places. Places where ammonia can be found. Why are you covering your nose? Wearing nose mask?
Sir, nothing.
Nothing? You mean nothing? Okay, fine. If you say nothing, now, who can tell me example of a place where we can find this ammonia? Where can we find ammonia? Just give me one example. You mean nobody can tell me where we can find ammonia? I told you that ammonia smells like shit. It smells like urine. Now, where can we find this ammonia that smells like shit?
Uncle Ed,
Yes?
ammonia can be found inside your mouth.
How?
Because your mouth possesses all the features of ammonia. Your mouth smells like shit. Your mouth smells like sewage products. Your mouth smells like urine.
Thanks for watching that wonderful comedy video. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next Friday. Please subscribe, like and share the video with your family and friends. Please subscribe.